My name is Richard Lumeyer. I was involved in a severe auto wreck, which happened one morning heading towards work, and I stopped and was exiting to get off of the interstate, and a big truck was stopped in front of me, and then the person behind me didn't stop and hit me very hard. I don't remember much from that wreck, and I know I barely made it to the hospital, and thank gosh I did. And it was just, a very trying time in life and a very severe wreck that called for a lot of attention and a lot of detail. And then the injuries I've sustained were severe head injuries, which I'm still working on some right now, a shoulder that will never be 100% again, gallbladder was removed, had a stent put on my aorta. I had some damaged teeth that I had to have repaired. Yeah, after the wreck, and then people started just asking me questions, and I could see I needed to have some legal help. A very good friend of mine referred me to Spencer Dobbs, and I was very grateful he gave me that referral. I was unable to come into Spencer Dobbs' office, so he had come out to the hospital to see me in Midland, and I was grateful he'd come out there because I needed help and I couldn't bring myself in because I was unable to, and he brought his crew out there and everything, and people were asking me questions and stuff I was unable to answer and couldn't give proper answers at that time, and he took on everything and said everything needed to go through him, which made things easier on me, my family, and my wife. Spencer Dobbs always kept me informed, and if he didn't, the office people were always very polite and nice and always kept me updated. And this was the first time something like this ever happened to me, and even though I had a lot of questions that were basic, they were always super nice and super helpful in answering all those questions. I would definitely recommend him and his staff. Everybody here was just fantastic to me, and they went that extra mile, and even when you had just some basic questions or whatever, nothing was never too minor or too major for them. They handled everything.